Hi guys, so today we are going to talk about how to install MySQL Workbench in your Mac. Now, MySQL Workbench is like a software which is used by all the database administrator, architect to design, to build everything related to your databases, related to your SQL. Now, MySQL Workbench is one of the famous tool that we have. To install it, it's very simple. You have to simply go and search for MySQL Workbench on the browser. So simply search MySQL Workbench, go to the first link. Now click on download. Here you will find out two options. In case if you are using Windows, you have to go with Windows. In case if you are using your Mac, simply go to Mac. There are two versions to install it. So one is a silicon based processor, the another one is Intel based processor. In case if you are using a silicon based processor like after M1 M2, so you have to go and download this package for ARM. Now how to verify you have a silicon processor or you have a Intel based processor? Simply go to this Apple icon, and if you click on about this Mac, and over here if you find out like there is a Intel written here in the chip section, so that means you have a Intel based processor. Okay, now so I'm going to download this, and once the download is done, you will find out the file in your download section. Now once the file is available, so click on that, and simply just to install it, you have to drag and drop this MySQL Workbench over to the application, to this MySQL applications, okay, this icon, and it will take about like 30-40 seconds according to your operating system. um, so it is done in my system. So you see MySQL Workbench is there. You have to double click over here to open it, and if you see like you already have the MySQL server installed, so you will go over here. You have to put your password. So I have already installed the MySQL server. If you haven't done it, you can do it. I will provide this particular video of installing the MySQL server in Mac in the video description. So I have already installed it, and I have my password there for MySQL server. So give the password, click on continue, and you see I am there with the MySQL Workbench. Now, and in case if you wish to run your databases, you want to run your queries, simply just type the queries and click on command enter, and it will be executed. So I hope you have enjoyed this video of installing the MySQL Workbench in Mac. In case if you have any issues, feel free to put it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.